shouldn't be too long. But yeah, she's running pretty good. And the sequential taillights work really cool too. Let me turn them on so you can see. Oh, it's not running. Oh, maybe I gotta have the steering wheel straight for that. No, I'll check on that later, but I'm gonna get the new tires, and I'm getting the what they call Porta white walls installed. So it's gonna have 4-inch wide white wall tires on it. It's gonna look really nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all we got for today. I gotta go out and fix some people's car, you know, because I need money to make Anastasia happy. And she's looking pretty good. Yeah. Nice. Gotta burn off a bunch of that old oil that's still from running it without valve covered. But Anastasia is happy, folks. Arizona Joe signing off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Oh yeah.